Did you know that some people over 80 have the muscle strength and energy of someone in their 40s? No magic, no extreme training, just one simple daily habit backed by science that transforms aging muscles. In today's video, I'll reveal what it is, how it works, and how you can easily apply it starting today. Let's go. Muscle loss with age, but not for everyone. Most people start losing muscle mass around age 30, roughly 3 to 8% per decade, and after 60, the loss speeds up. This is known as sarcopenia, and it leads to loss of strength, poor balance, increased risk of falls, loss of independence. But here's the key: sarcopenia isn't inevitable. Numerous studies, including one from Harvard Medical School, show that older adults can build muscle just like younger people if they stimulate it the right way. Yes, you can actually reverse muscle aging. The secret of exceptionally strong seniors. What sets strong seniors apart? According to a 2022 meta-analysis in the Journal of Geriatric Physical Therapy, the most robust older adults had 3 main lifestyle factors in common: consistent daily movement, not necessarily gym workouts, but functional activity, adequate protein intake, often above the standard recommendations, and most importantly, a daily habit that naturally stimulates the whole body and slows down muscular decline. So, what is this secret weapon? The muscle-boosting habit: brisk walking. Yes, it's as simple as that. Brisk walking, about just 20 to 30 minutes per day, has a powerful effect on muscle health. Here's why. It engages over 200 muscles in the body. It improves blood circulation and oxygen supply to the muscles. It stimulates the production of mitochondria, the batteries of your cells, essential for energy and muscle repair. And it boosts hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, even in older adults. Studies from the University of Georgia and the Mayo Clinic show that walking fast, not strolling, improves muscle power, reaction time, and endurance in just a few weeks. How to start? Even if you're out of shape, here's how to ease into it safely. Start with 2 sessions of 10 minutes daily, one in the morning, one after lunch. Walk at a pace that makes you slightly out of breath but still able to talk. After 1 week, try to reach 30 minutes per day, 5 to 6 days a week. Add light ankle or wrist weights after 3-4 weeks to increase intensity. Pro tip: choose parks or nature paths. Walking outdoors boosts vitamin D and reduces stress, which also affects muscle recovery. Bonus tip: pair it with protein. Walking alone is great, but to rebuild muscle, your body needs amino acids. Try this morning muscle fuel: 1 or 2 eggs, complete proteins. A handful of almonds or walnuts, rich in leucine. Add some Greek yogurt or cottage cheese for extra boost. According to a 2021 study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who consumed at least 1.2 g of protein per kilogram of body weight experienced up to 40% more muscle gains than those eating less. Recap and motivation. So let's sum it up. Muscle loss is not your destiny. Brisk walking activates your muscles and rewires your body for strength. Combined with the right protein intake, it becomes a powerful tool to age with strength, independence, and energy. Try it for just 7 days, and you may already feel less stiffness, more power in your legs, better posture and energy. Don't underestimate small habits. They are what transform your health, one step at a time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried brisk walking consistently? What changes have you noticed? See you in the next video, and keep moving strong.